a shot this is. He's picked the bones out of that and just nailed it down the ground for 6.
Just the kind of finish that they wanted. 194 for 1.
Brendon. With opening bat ridings, BATSMEN leads South Australia's reply to Wally Hammond's first innings score of 506 for 5 declared. Australia's white hope in the coming test. This BATSMEN preview helps the...
And that is the official attendance figure, 22,012. Not quite as big as the crowd that attended this match a few years ago. The West Indies against Australia. That's gone way over mid-on, just missing the press box, the scorer's box here, and going well back into the crowd. What a shot this is. Look at the power just outside off stump, and the pose there as Vivian Richards simply hits through the line, and it goes miles down the ground.
Away, one bounce. Very, very strong on his legs. The first boundary. This one has gone further.
He hits it all the way anyway. Keeper up or not, good night.
Good drive, ball and delivery. He smashes it through the offside.
Now that's how he plays. History tells us he doesn't advance out of his crease and then maybe come up after that. Oh, there's the outside edge, and it's going to go for 4. Third man can do nothing. Adapetto stares it down.
To say about batting very sensibly. Nice seam position for the ball. Just doing that little bit to enable the batsman to get to the outside edge.
Sangakkara now goes back. That allows his... You never know. Oh, it doesn't look good though. A miss hit is a long way off the cards at this
stage. What a fantastic night in prospect here. Brendon McCullum opening up for New Zealand, and boy, do they need something from him tonight. He's up against the man they call Wild Thing, Shaun Tate. Well, straight away, underway New Zealand, so that's a positive start. It's leg byes only, not from the bat of Brendon McCullum. Down the wicket, through the covers, 4 runs. Oh, McCullum goes over extra cover, that'll be 6. The first one of the innings, right out of the middle of the bat. Nana's got it wrong and McCullum was onto it.
Wow, what a... One of those Jaffa split finger slow Yorkers. Here we go. Change of pace, and guess what? It's out of here. Yeah, it's gone all the way. What a great start to this over for Pakistan. 6 off the first one. Yeah, and it's him. Boom, boom.
Smashed away. Typical Chris Gayle shot. Struck with tremendous power.
Well, this is where he loves it. Roll it across him, get the length wrong. He stands tall, he's a big man. Allows him the opportunity. We saw a few of those strokes in the Cape Town Test match. Tini just battling to get the length good, yeah, the line good to Chris Gayle. Doesn't this pitch look a beauty?
Truly does. That's gone a mighty long way. In fact, it's gone all the way into the crowd. The first 6 of the innings, and there's no guessing who hit it.
blazed away to the boundary, struck very powerfully. Just a little bit of width on offer, he can produce. Oh, that is classic. Stand and deliver. Gorgeous from Bubba.
Half volley, but what about that cover drive? Again, the key from Babar, as always, is his immaculate balance. Way through the ball, easy as you like, minimum movement, and a maximum result. Akib Javed, he was up there looking at the monitor. Here's the freebie! Oh, stunning! There goes the net! Belongs to us! What a time! That is outstanding! And guess who? It's the skipper again!
It's the broom. He went to right, he went to left. Yeah, handling the sword